Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can make black and white photos in the Photoshop from the color photo. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, import the image in the Photoshop. For example, I want to make a black and white photo of this image. So after that, click on place options. So after that, I will adjust the size. So after adjusting the size, so just click on done options, and here you will see this option. Just click on it and then click on classic. So after that, you can see the colorful image is changed into black and white. If you want to change another color, so just click on it and you can see different color of black and white you can change. So guys, in this way you can change colorful image into black and white pictures. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.